You've seen them in tiny cups at the pet store, but the Betta fish is more than just a decoration. It's an intelligent, curious creature. To see one truly thrive, we need to go beyond the myths and build the perfect habitat. Let's create a 5-star resort for your finned friend. First, let's bust the biggest myth: the bowl. Small bowls are dangerously unstable. Toxins like ammonia build up to lethal levels in hours, and the temperature can swing wildly, causing immense stress. 2, 3. The absolute minimum for a healthy Betta is a 5-gallon aquarium. Ideally, aim for 10 gallons to give them a world to explore. 5. Shape matters as much as size. Bettas swim horizontally, not vertically. A tank that is longer than it is tall provides the most usable space. And because they breathe from the surface, a shorter tank makes their life much easier, especially for long-finned varieties. Don't forget a lid. Betta fish are incredible jumpers, and an open-top tank is a major safety hazard. 8, 9. A secure lid is a non-negotiable piece of equipment. Bettas are tropical fish. Your room temperature is too cold for them. They require a stable water temperature between 76 and 82 degrees Fahrenheit, with 78 to 80 being the sweet spot. 11, 12. An adjustable aquarium heater isn't an option. It's essential for a healthy immune system. 10, 13. Filtration is another must-have, but choose wisely. A Betta's long, delicate fins make them poor swimmers. Strong currents will exhaust and stress them. The best choice is a gentle sponge filter, which provides excellent filtration without turning the tank into a whirlpool. For the tank floor, safety comes first. Avoid coarse or sharp gravel, which can easily tear a Betta's fins. Soft aquarium sand or smooth, fine gravel are the safest options and are easy to keep clean. 17. Now for the fun part, decorating. But again, think safety. Avoid hard plastic plants with sharp edges. High-quality silk plants are a great choice, but live plants are even better. They help clean the water and create a natural, enriching environment. 121. A bare tank is a stressful tank. Bettas need places to hide to feel secure, like caves or tunnels. 23, 24. And crucially, they need resting spots near the surface. A Betta leaf hammock or a floating log isn't a toy. It's an essential piece of furniture that helps them rest and breathe easily. 26, 27, 28. This is the single most important step. Before you even buy your fish, you must cycle the tank. This process establishes beneficial bacteria that convert your fish's toxic waste into a safer substance. This is called a fishless cycle, and it takes 4 to 8 weeks. 31. Do not skip this step. A spacious tank, stable heat, gentle filtration, and a safe, enriching environment. By moving beyond the myths and understanding their needs, you can provide a home where your Betta will not just survive, but truly flourish.